Here are 5 great Amazon FBA deals you can sell today. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Please do hit that subscribe button if you aren't yet subscribed to us. We post Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday and just trying to help our watchers out learn how to sell on Amazon. And if there are any other videos you'd like us to make, let us know in the comments. We can look to get them created. But today we have another video in our series where we run you through 5 great FBA deals which we found this month. So this month is April and we're going to be running you through 5 more deals. Now all of these deals came from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday into our Discord community for free, just to help give our users inspiration on where they should be looking and what they should be looking for. And this is the whole idea of these videos as well. It is simply just to give you guys some inspiration on where you should be looking. If you are new to Amazon FBA, finding FBA deals is by far the hardest part about your journey. It's going to be the thing you spend the most time doing, and we probably do make it look quite easy, but that's just because we have been doing it for quite a long time. You can get to this stage too where you can find loads and loads of deals every day, but it is all about staying persistent. But let's get into it. So the first product we have is on the website Notino, and if you've watched our videos before, you know we love Notino. It's absolutely great for Amazon FBA. It's absolutely great for online arbitrage. They've got some great deals on here. Loads and loads of products which sell for less than they are on Amazon. This one here is this Nourishing Serum for dry and damaged hair. We can buy this for £4.59, and this is another nice thing about Notino is they often run these discount codes. So usually it's £5.40. Well, actually usually it's £8. It's gone down to £5.40 because it's got 30% off. But there's also a discount code, so we can get it for £4.59 with another 15% off. So we're buying this one for £4.59. On Amazon it sells for £13.98, so a really nice difference there. So let's check it out on Profitl. So the first thing we're always checking for are the sales. So this one is selling 33 to 56 units a month, so not bad sales whatsoever. Great reviews, so it's got 576 reviews and it's 4.5 star rated, and that's important because it means we're less likely to get returns. Returns often are going to cost us money, so we want to be buying deals where the chances of returns are minimized. Then down to the profitability, so this one is £5.07 profit. Now the actually important figure is the return on investment. So that's given us 106%, which is just absolutely brilliant. Ideally, our minimum really is just 30%, so we're getting over triple that. Profitl ranking score of 58 out of 100. Not absolutely perfect, but it's still giving us a good buy. And currently only one other FBA seller on this listing, but this is likely to increase. So we're on to our next product now, and this one is a multi-pack product. So it's this Baker Rewards dog treats. They're 99p each, and we can buy 2 of them on Amazon for £7.99. Now you may think, oh, this is a different product because it's got a different packaging, but no, it is the same product. The packaging has just been updated. This is really common, especially food and also beauty. They often update their packaging, but it is actually the identical product. But this is really a good thing because it means less people will be selling it because they're going to think it's a different product than it actually is. But you won't have any problems with doing this. So let's check it out on Profitl and see what the data says. As it's a pack of 2, our unit cost is going to be £1.98, selling it for £7.99. Not crazy sales. We really like this one just because it had a great profit margin, so 95% return on investment. Profit per unit £2.08, a Profitl ranking of 66 out of 100. 7 FBA sellers, slightly higher than we usually like. This was actually a lot less than about 3 weeks ago, but this is what happens with FBA. You're going to find products, you're going to send them in, and more people do jump on the listing. The key is don't get into pricing wars. Hold your price. If it's plummeting, they're all going to sell out. The price will come up to your price point as long as you have analyzed it properly. Before we got into the next deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which can save you some money on your Profitl or your Deal Finder subscription, or both of them. We'll make it pop up just here. It's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans, and these already have over 50% off, so it's a 55% saving if you go for a yearly plan, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down, and when you are ready to start your FBA journey, it's going to save you some cash on your subscriptions. So on to deal number 3, and this is from the brand Smiggle, and it's this gold drink bottle which is £4.20 each. This has been discounted from £10. On Amazon it's selling for £15.99, so a massive difference on this one. So let's check out the data on Profitl. So this one did really look like it had great potential for Amazon FBA. So listing sales 33 to 54 units a month, profit per unit £6.66. 151% return on investment. Now obviously this is quite likely to drop, but this meant the Profitl ranking score, which gives it a ranking out of 100, was 84 out of 100. And this is just to guide you and just look out for you for things which you may not be looking at, like the average price, whether Amazon sell it and so on. So this one had a really good Profitl ranking. Only 3 other FBA sellers on this listing, so really good potential on this deal. So now on to deal number 4, and this one is from the website Boots, and it is this Soap and Glory Fruity Body Butter, which is £9.95, but it's actually a deal, so it's 3 for 2. So that means our unit cost would be about £6.60. We're buying 3 for the cost of 2, and obviously we would be buying a lot more than that, but our actual cost is about £6.60 or £6.63. So it sells on Amazon for £15.22. Buying it for £6.63, a nice difference there. So this one doesn't have huge sales, only 7 to 27 units a month, and a lot of people may be put off by that, but it really isn't a big deal. Some sales are better than none as long as you haven't got too much competition. So we've only got one other FBA seller on this listing. Now, of course, this is likely to increase. If there's less sellers now, that is only a good thing. That means more than likely our future competition will be less as well. Now, profit breakdown, estimated profit per unit £3.25, return on investment 48%, and a good Profitl ranking, so 74 out of 100. This one did have good potential for Amazon FBA. So now on to our 5th and final deal, and this one is from the website Game, and it is this product for Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings staff. We can buy this one for £3.98 each. It was £7.99, so this one's in the sale. On Amazon, it sells for £16.19, so we're buying it for £3.98, and it is selling for £16.19. Now, this has dropped slightly. When we sent this into deal of the day, it was actually selling for £19. We had so much room for movement when we did send this in. So again, not another big seller, but it wasn't that important because there was only 4 other FBA sellers and they didn't have too much stock. It was selling 8 to 15 units a month. But the thing we loved about this one was the profit again. So when we sent it in, it was making 140% return on investment, giving us £5.90 profit per unit. And of course, that just gives us so much wiggle room. So when it does drop like this, we're still going to be making great profit. And it just makes this product a lot safer for us to be selling. So that is 5 of the best FBA deals we found in the month of April. That is just the very basics of analysing FBA deals. We would be looking at things in a lot more detail if we were actually going to buy them, but we do hope that gives you some inspiration on the types of deals out there. That is just one of many thousands of deals out there every single week. There really is deals to be found on most websites if you do keep looking. That is the key with Amazon FBA. It is just staying persistent and not giving up. And that is especially true if you are new to Amazon FBA, because it can be really hard when first starting, because you can be hunting and hunting. You can be searching and searching, and it can feel like it's impossible to find an FBA deal. The more time you spend doing it, you do begin to learn on where you should be looking and what you should be looking for. But thanks so much for watching today's video. Please do let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make. We do read all of your comments. You'll find all of our important links in the description, our social media as well. But that's all for now, and we will see you in the next one.